pipe bursting, so that basically get a new pipe inside that old pipe, same diameter, and it breaks that old one apart. So, I mean, you already lost most of the inches from the pipe, and then obviously you're gonna get new diameter to that new pipe. Yeah, new SDR 17.
Okay. How come this happened?
So just over time, pipes just starts flaking, and then the grease. You know, wash your hands, soap, and all that stuff. Put chemicals down there. You just start deteriorating that pipe.